Stop. No, Mia.
We're halfway from where we started.
Geocaching? Coco, run, scare those birds. Oh,
Guys, do you know that? So it's not that far.
What?
Look at that case.
Oh, Mikey.
It's cool.
Come on, geocaching.
Oh.
Look at the dogs.
Guys, to give you an idea of what a kilometre is, we're halfway already.
To Farmley.
No, from a kilometre, we're halfway from the last cache. Is anyone listening to me?
Yeah.
I'm not.
So,
Scared the birds, Coco.
Stopped.
yeah.
Come on.
Who's gonna,
Something funny has to happen.
Joe, Jed, are you going to do this one?
Me, it's my turn.
Yeah.
Okay. To find it or to,
Yeah.
to
To like
lead?
feed.
Oh, Coco.
Okay.
See, it was
You're not
Joe's or mine.
Ah,
Joe's.
1 second.